Hey guys, it's Maddie here, and in today's episode of AFI DIYs, we are going to make some super foamy powder bubble bath. If you're interested in wanting to learn more, stay tuned and I'll show you guys just how to make it. This recipe begins with our dry ingredients, so we're going to start with our baking soda and citric acid, the key ingredients that give this formula some fizz, just like a bath bomb. So we're going to sift through both of these ingredients through a strainer into our mixing bowl, being sure to get rid of any of those clumps. Alrighty, now that we have sifted through our citric acid and baking soda, we can move on to our next ingredient, which is our sodium lauryl sulfate acetate. Now this is a powder surfactant that will give our bath powder its bubble, so I'm going to grab a mask for this ingredient because it does have a tendency to go airborne and we don't want to breathe it in. So I'm going to put my mask on like so and go ahead and dump it in. Now that we have our dry ingredients all ready to go, we're going to work on our wet ingredients. So for starters, we have our fragrance oil. So this is going to make our bath powder extra fun and fragrant. And because this will be used in the bath, it's really important to pick a fragrance that's IFRA approved to be skin safe. So with that in mind, I use AFI Web Store's handy tool for selecting skin safe fragrances, and I picked out bubblegum. So let's add this into our Cocomidal Propyl Butane in with our fragrance. And this is a super gentle surfactant that will create tons of foam, which is perfect for this formula. So I already have this pre-measured out, so I'm going ahead and dumping it in. Alrighty, now that we have our wet ingredients and dry ingredients all ready to go, we can now combine everything. So I'm going to grab some gloves and I'm slowly just going to pour this in and just whisk it until everything is nice and combined. Slowly pour this in. It smells amazing. Alrighty, so I'm just going to use my hands and just incorporate it all in together. Alright, now that everything is nice and well incorporated, we can go ahead and split this mixture evenly into our two separate bowls. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Alrighty, now that I have the mixture separated into two bowls, I went ahead and grabbed my mica powders. I have a beautiful yellow here and a beautiful red. And so I'm just going to add a little bit into here and then give it a nice quick stir and we'll watch the magic come to life. Alrighty, now that we have both of our mixtures nice and well incorporated, now we can go ahead and add this to our packaging of choice. As you can see, I just chose a clear bottle here so we can really enjoy the wondrous creation we made. And just dump it in like so. Ooh, beautiful. To use this product, simply sprinkle in a little bit at a time into your running bath water and you watch the bubbles bloom. An 8-ounce bottle costs us about $1 to make, which means it can be sold wholesale for $2 to $4 and retail for $6 to $8, depending on the fragrance and additives that you choose. Are you a member of our notification squad? If not, join us by subscribing to our channel and ringing that bell icon. You'll never miss an update from AFI. Well, I'm your girl Maddie, and I'm so grateful that you guys joined us in today's DIY lab today. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one real soon. Bye!